Morning everybody, Rafa here again, Preferred Plumbing Solutions. Just wanted to send out this quick video letting you know we just did a service call a couple days ago, and it was really interesting. It was one of our clients that had our revolutionary Flowtech anti-scale system in their house, and it was really neat going to a job a few months after installation and seeing the absolute effectiveness of the product, seeing scale that has broken up and cleaned itself, looking in a toilet tank. Our technician was telling us he looked in the toilet tank and the toilet tank was completely clean and clear. There wasn't a stick of an ounce, a drop, a particle of scale in there. We had another, in the same job, we had a faucet that had a lot of scale developing all over it. And our customer showed us that the scale was gone. It was just that chrome, nice, shiny look, and they were able to just wipe it off. It was amazing how their consistency changed. Anyhow, we'll keep you posted. Flowtech is amazing. Stop wasting time, guys. We can put one in today. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.